Hey all, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the south, more specifically Johnson City, Tennessee, the little big city, little Chicago, here in Appalachia. More specifically than that, I'm at the Hands-On Museum. This is a children's museum. I've never been in here before, but I received a tip that this particular museum has a very, very interesting display. Follow me. So let's see, what does this do? Can you lift an ordinary, can an ordinary vacuum cleaner lift a 14-pound ball? The answer is yes.
So you gotta hold it down the whole time.
Oh, nice. So does it pick up the ball? Oh, I guess you have to operate the fingers separately.
You know, it's educational.
It's very educational.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, at least you didn't have to put a quarter in.
No, it's free. This is harder than it looks.
I don't think it's gonna happen for you, man. I got bad news. I don't think it's gonna happen. Sad times. Grocery store?
Okay.
Like one little kid will like be the cash register and then the other kid like, you know, you have like all your plastic cheeses and like assorted plastic chickens. Like
breadsticks.
I used to always be amazed by like this stuff. Like, where is the factory that makes the plastic chickens? Like, what a weird job.
Oh yeah, these steaks, crab, hot dogs. Yeah, this is different. There's the ice cream freezer. Oh, the light came on. Very realistic. I don't think it's sanitary to just have all different kinds of raw meat and ice together. Isn't that cross-contamination? Got a giant puppet here in the corner, and you can actually just reach into his chest and pull his guts out. See, that looks like a carrot. I don't know. What? What could just disembowel this guy? Just digging. I think did I just rip his heart? Is that his heart?
Might be a kidney.
It's a banana. I guess they've just shoved random things in him. Is that slice of cheese? Just pulling out his liver. There we go. I think that's his heart. Show it to him. Okay, I guess this is Ophelia the skeleton, who is rife with artificial parts like a fake eye. I think there's a pacemaker. She's got an artificial heart. She's got artificial hips, artificial knees. So if this was alive, she'd be in constant pain. She says she has a brother named Yorick that lives at the Smithsonian Museum of American History. I wonder if I've seen him. Alright, we got a tornado going here. It's picking up steam. There we go. I have a little kitty newsroom in here. You can actually sit into your own news broadcast. The teleprompter's broken though, and they've replaced it with just a sign. It says, "Thank you for joining us on WKID TV. I'm the Carpetbagger. Investigators are trying to figure out why kids have so much fun at hands-on. Sources revealed that exciting exhibits contribute to the amusement. Others believe the fun programs add to the experience. More on this report coming up after the break." Katie Ellen. This is a coal mine.
This is probably the most Appalachian kids experience to ever exist.
Visiting a coal mine?
Yeah.
Oh, so this, okay. Where there's a slide?
Yeah, and then you go into the coal mine.
What is coal? But apparently there is a slide for children only, but I didn't see that sign, so I'm gonna go ahead and head down into the coal mine through the slide. Oh. Woohoo! Here's some fascinating information about coal and coal mining equipment. Hold down the switch to see the lights, see the rocks glow. Ooh. Ooh. There's the kids' bank. A little cash. Little bank tellers right there. Oh, there's a little drive-through. There's an ATM machine. Feed me a cat. Here's the safety deposit box where some kid has left their fake money baseball and tiara. This $20 bill has J.F. Costley on it, and he's eating a hot dog. Some sort of alternate dimension president. I don't know who that is. 1 in a million. It says there's one yellow sprinkle and all these black sprinkles. There's a million black sprinkles. Wonder if they sat and counted out all the sprinkles. Yeah, I'm not convinced there's a yellow sprinkle in here.
Dude, it was like a flight simulator? I don't remember.
Oh yeah.
They totally scored.
Oh. Yeah, it's got just a flat screen showing what flying looks like. I don't think that actually controls it, but you get the idea. Yeah, I don't know why I find this funny, but just look how they have the TV just laid across the windshield of the plane. Ingenious. Cow there. More cowbell. Ew, is it really milkable? Yeah, nothing comes out.
Like a system of tunnels in an aquarium underneath this.
Okay, so you used to be able to climb down under there and look up into an aquarium. Now you just climb down in there and just chill out.
Just into the abyss.
Counting down. Uh-oh, take my shadow. Alright, let's...
Totally worked.
There you go. There's my shadowy figure. Like a character from Trailer Park Boys here next to the Bubbles. I think his name Bubbles, I think. I don't know. Man, I kind of feel bad about what I did to this guy. What exactly is a human kaleidoscope? I guess we'll find out. Oh! Oh. It's like a hall of mirrors. Behold, Noah's Ark, complete with taxidermied animal heads poking out. Oh, wow. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh.
They don't have two of everybody. They only got one polar bear.
Oh yeah.
Obviously belongs next to the baboons, I guess.
They only got one polar bear and one ibex. They need to double up so they don't go extinct. One black bear. They have two of these horrifying baboons with their snarling teeth. Collection of tiny heads. The dick, the buck dick, and the doe dick. Oh my goodness. Oh, we got the little fox doing the howl right there. Yeah, looking through this ark, I realized that Noah was a huge fan of horned animals. There's a lot of animals with antlers. Yeah, Noah brought 3 different kinds of bighorn sheep, but only one warthog. Yeah, they're all mammals here. No birds, no lizards. I guess there's some nests up there in the corner, but I don't see anything poking out of them. You can tell that this guy here, he's been petted too much because his fur's been rubbed off. And I got a big buffalo head. Yeah, trying to get out this end of the ark, I guess you'd used to leave, but they have a big black bear guarding the way. Unfortunately, the lesser kudu has gone extinct. Alright, check this out. I just noticed this down back by the rear of the ark. There's a couple taxidermied fish down here.
Yes.
Guess this big gator right here got left out of the ark. Looks like they're painting over here, so it's partially closed down. Not sure why they're painting green. I guess the ark is run ashore. There's the animals over here, and then we got some animals pushed over to the side. We got a big old bear, got some lions, and then back there is a cabin with a moose inside of it. Interesting. So that was the hands-on museum here in Johnson City, Tennessee. And where else can you go where they have a museum with Noah's Ark full of taxidermied heads? A rare thing indeed. And actually, sadly, we may not have our taxidermy ark for much longer because they're moving all these exhibits over to the Gray Fossil Site. It's a legit area where they found some really cool fossils, and apparently going to move all the educational exhibits over to that site. So you figure some of the exhibits may not make the cut, and who knows if they are going to transport Noah's Ark full of animals' heads over there. Anyway, I want to give a special shout out to Brandy for showing me this amazing museum. If you'd like to support the channel, there's a link in the descriptions that'll take you to an interactive map that'll show you all the places I visited, and you can make suggestions to visit on places that I should visit. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, I sell t-shirts, and also if you donate $3 on Patreon a month, I will send you a postcard. All that information is down in the description, and for now, this one's in the bag.